In this video, I'll show you how to post a carousel on Facebook step by step. A carousel lets you showcase multiple images or products that people can swipe through in a single post. It's commonly available for Facebook ads, and some business tools may also support carousel-style organic posts, depending on your account. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign into the account that manages your Facebook page. If you're creating a carousel ad, open Ads Manager or Meta Business Suite. Then tap Create to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective and continue until you reach the Ads section. Select the carousel format, then upload multiple images or videos. Add a headline, description, destination link, and call to action for each card if those options are available. Review the carousel preview to make sure the cards appear in the correct order. Then, complete your audience, budget, and schedule settings. Finally, tap Publish or Confirm to submit your carousel ad for review. If you're creating a regular Facebook post, keep in mind that Facebook may display multiple uploaded photos in a swipeable layout automatically, but a true carousel format is generally reserved for ads and supported business tools. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.